This is what I love the most with art, is when you finish a sketchbook, the feeling when finishing it, it's amazing. I love that. Even if I have about 15 sketchbooks open at the same time, I finished one, so I'm excited to show you what's inside, and spoiler alert, it's just gouache. And if you want the exact reference of the sketchbook, it's linked in the description below, although it's a Clairefontaine sketchbook, which is a French brand, and I know it's pretty difficult to find outside of Europe. And almost all of the paintings that are in this sketchbook are part of my gouache membership. This one was about colored shadows, because I never use black for my shadows. I like to use colored shadows, and I even made a complete course about colorful shadows, but we will get back to this later on. This is a part of the course about contrast and value. So the exercise was to paint the same reference image in black and white and in color, keeping the same values in both. Because I know I talk about this all the time, but value is more important than color. Yes, color is more appealing to your eye, but the foundation of everything is given by the value. So if you have the value correct in color, you can use almost any color you want. Still playing with colorful shadows, although those ones are very strong, but I like this one with a bit of colored pencils as well. And this is something I painted in two ways, I think, but I don't know where is the second way. Anyway, I have this one, I have this one on white, and I painted it also on black, just to talk about values again. So some colorful shadows, some ducks, and I like to have two matching pages in my sketchbook when I can. Maybe it's just the colors or it's the subjects. Here it's a good matching page. This one is pretty tricky to paint. The crystal glass was really hard, but I had a blast doing that. As well as this one, which is about color, complementary color, reflection. We were talking about reflection in both. And for the background, I used acrylic ink, because you can mix a lot of things with gouache. We are still in the reflections. I love this one. I think I really nailed it. Not so fond of this one. This is a live painting session I did with Nora Cag on my YouTube channel, and you can still watch the replay of the live session. And I planned to do something that I never did and will never do. It's gold acrylic paint, but I think it goes well with this page, so fine. More transparencies with glass. Don't like this one. Jesus. It was also about reflection on metallic things, so I had a pair of teaspoons in black and white, in monochromatic, and in colorful shadows, and another one about reflections. I know, I had a blast with shiny objects and transparent objects. So keep going with the butter, and yes, it's empty. Fine. Then I wanted to tackle complex subjects like flowers bouquet. So you can paint just a bouquet, or you can just get some thumbnails from some parts of the bouquet. So this one was really fun to do. And then we had a topic, because each month we have either a technique or a topic, and the topic was submarine life, of course. And I really love this turtle. This is maybe my favorite inside this sketchbook, with a watercolor background. It's really cool. I love it. Yeah, now that I look at it, I need to make more. Another live session that I did with Nora, still available as well. And this was about colorful shadows. I wanted the vibration here on the carrots and inside the shadows. I love it. Yeah, love this one. A new style for me. And this was the topic for August. It was to make a sketchbook spread with travel sketchbook. Even if you stay home, like I've written here, it says holiday at home. And it was taking 4 different elements. So they are all fond memories for me. And I think the glasses are very fine, as well as the glass and the house and the magnet. Well, I love them all. Then we had something about color scenario, so daylight, golden hour, and night lights. This one is difficult. And then we had direct painting, no sketch under, just go with the paint, and with different ways to approach it. So this, and this one, which is the last one I did. Pretty cool. And this one was done with Erica Lancaster during a live painting session. She was painting with watercolor. And this one is a lesson inside of the color course where I teach about realistic colors. And this one was also done with Erica during a live painting session. And in this sketchbook there are postcards, but really the size of them is pretty annoying. It's so long, I never use them. But besides that, you have a pocket, and this is watercolor paper, very good. Hope you like this one. Let me know which one is your favorite. I'm pretty sure my favorite is the turtle. I love it.